Okay, so now I will teach how to do the graduation wall. Super easy, super simple. Just wanted to have it on a video. So first of all, you'll take the picture with the activation phone. From there, you'll airdrop, you'll airdrop to the Mac. From there, it goes into downloads. So what you'll do is, I'll move this so you can see. You'll go over to Finder, and it should just be, if you press downloads right here, it will just, your new picture will just be right here. From there, drag the picture to the desktop. So this is an example I did of someone that's already done, but I just wanted to give an example. So put her in the desktop. Okay, from here, you're going to go to canva.com, and I already have a template for you there. No, thank you. You will go to over here to all your designs. Like I said, there's already a template, and here it is. Congrats, Sam, this copy. So in here, the template's already completely made. So all you have to do is press this copy button, and then it just copies Brooklyn. So what you do from here is you'll delete the name, delete the picture. I just need to see what her name was. Again, Krista. So I'll add her name and say, congrats, Krista. And then I'll just drag and drop her picture into Canva. Then it shows up right here. And then I'll drag it over to here. And then just size it so it looks nice. From there, I am done with that. So let's say you waited and have a couple to do, so then you'd just do the same thing here and you'd copy and delete her picture, delete her name, and write your new one in. But you don't need, I only have one example I'm doing. So since we just have her and we want to download her and put her on the graduation wall, we'll download. And as you can see before we do, this is number 10. So I've already done all of these ones. These were just the template ones. So after I make hers and press download, I'm just going to come in here and say I only want number 10 and download. So we wait for her to be downloaded. Once she is downloaded, she comes up right here, and she's also in here, this copy of congratulations. So usually I'll just drag that to my desktop just so I have it there. And then I go to a Word document. Blank document, super easy. I'm just going to slide her into a Word document. And then as you can see on the wall, they're all different sizes. So I'll just size it the way I want it. So I can size it down or up or whatever I think I need right now. And then I just print it. And then after I print it, I will cut it out. I will put it in the lamination machine. I will laminate it. I'll cut out the lamination. And then with these, which are up in the marketing closet, just right up here above my head on my desk, are the tacks, and I will tack it in. And it is simple as that. And then after that, like I said, I've already done her, so I don't need to save this. After that, I will put her. So you take her in, Lily PT folder. When you're in the Lily PT folder, you go to Lily with Patience. Just hold it, just drag it and hover it over, and then it will get you in like that. And then done. And in done is all the people that are done on the graduation wall. And that is it.